That's a ribeye. That's Happy New Year's to the dogs. They won't get all of it. But quick potatoes, because I forgot to buy potatoes. Well, we had to turn the auxiliary furnace on tonight. The little one down back's just not cutting it. It's like 8 degrees going down to 2. Probably feel like minus 12. And the wind's not even blowing. Hallelujah. So glad the wind's not blowing. Yeah, it was 54 in here about 2 o'clock. So I figured I better turn the auxiliary heat on. Don't need any frozen pipes under this rickety place. I can't read it. I think we're probably up to about 65. At chin level, we're at 65. So that's a lot better than it was at 55. Okay, stay warm. Love you, YouTube.